Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have a many colorful vehicles. See this guys, there is a many vehicles. See, this is very nice and colorful, of course. So introduce this for you. First one is a dump truck, and next one is a backhoe, and next one is a also trailer truck on backhoe, and there is a trailer truck, and next one is also a red color backhoe. This is a trailer backhoe, actually this is red color, and there is the last one is a trailer truck also. So guys, today I am trying all of vehicles driving, so let's go wasting any more time. So guys, first one is a red color trailer truck, so let's try this one. So next one is a trailer truck on backhoe. So let's go. Next one is a trailer truck. See this guys, this is a yellow color trailer truck. So let's try this one. So guys, there is a backhoe. This is trailer truck on backhoe. So let's try this one. Guys, there is the power of backhoe. This is big backhoe. So let's try this one. So guys, there is the last one dump truck. This is fully yellow color dump truck. So let's try this one, of course.